Hi, it's Ollie from Get Geek, and today I'm doing a video to show you how to fix a potential issue with your phone if you have a USB-C connection and it's not charging very well. Now, I had this for a while and I presumed that what I'd actually done is I dropped my phone with the charging cable in it and it bent. And I was always fiddling around with the cable, just trying to get it in, and it would just either fall out or it would say it was charging with a light, but it would like trickle charge or it wouldn't charge at all. Now, someone at work mentioned to me the tip that I'm going to tell you, but I must advise that you do this completely at your own risk, because there is a chance that you may fuck up your phone, and I'm not going to be held responsible for you either bricking your device or breaking the charging port or anything like that. So this is completely at your own risk. So the guy at work told me that sometimes loads of gunk or fluff gets stuck in the bottom of your phone. So what he said he did one day was he got something to scrape it out with. Now, you need something really thin and you need something that's not going to conduct electricity. So, I mean, you could try it with, say, a toothpick. But basically anything that doesn't conduct electricity, otherwise you're going to give yourself an electric shock or short your phone, so you could end up breaking it. So again, this is why I'm saying you need to be very careful what you're doing here. If you don't know what conducts electricity or if it may conduct electricity, then Google it first. Also probably turn your phone off before you do this, or even do it if it's with an empty battery, it'd be safer. I'm not going to be responsible if you give yourself an electric shock either. So I tried this and I started scraping and I was like, oh, it's not really doing anything. And basically, after scraping a bit more, I was like, oh, maybe there's a little bit of fluff here. And then I actually thought I was scraping the bottom of the phone. That's how stuck it is. So what must happen is every time your phone's in your pocket, it probably picks up some fluff. And then when you jam your charger into it, you're just compounding it into the bottom. So you really have to scrape hard. And then eventually this whole layer of gunk came away. And then I plugged my charger in and then it actually clicked back in. So that's how I knew, obviously, it was helping the situation, and that's how bad it got, is that it didn't even click anymore. So yeah, I hope this helps some people out there whose phone, they think they may have broken it, because I mean, I was at the point I was contacting a phone company to try and get me a spare part just to replace the charging port. It's not necessary, and they probably would have done what I did and probably still charge me for the part. So yeah, and one more thing to note is when you're using a pick in the phone, you want to make sure that it's not going to bend your charging port as well. So you need something that's really thin. This toothpick isn't actually what I use, and I wouldn't recommend using one that's kind of goes up in size, because you could end up bending the end of your port, and then you could end up shorting stuff or something like that. So basically you need something really thin but strong enough so it's not going to break inside when you're doing it, and also strong enough to scrape the bottom out. If this works for you, please comment below, or if you like this video, comment anyway. Also let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. It's been Ollie from Get Geek. Thanks, bye.